Hey guys, in this video we are checking out Balenciaga Track sneaker haul from Allchina. So make sure to watch the video until the very end. So the real thing to get started right out of the box, the design look pretty close to the original Balenciaga Track sneaker. The layered panels, chunky silhouette and branding details are all over there. However, the first thing I noticed is a difference in material. Authentic wear use high quality mesh and rubber, while the replica can feel slightly cheaper and less structured. The weight is another giveaway. Real Balenciaga Track have a solid heavy, where the fabric tend to be lighter due to the different wall construction. Comfort while it is hit or miss, some Replica get the cushion right but the offer the feel strip or lack proper art support. If you plan on wearing them often, this is something consider. Durability is also questionable as cheaper glue and stitching might cause them to wear out faster compared to an authentic pair. However, for the price this can be still a decent option if you just want the look out without spending designer money. At the end of the day, if you are after a budget friendly alternative and don't mind the quality differences, Allchina by version might work for you. But if you want a premium material and long lasting comfort, sticking with the real thing is a better choice. That's my review for Allchinabuy Balenciaga Track Sneakers, and that's it.